Hello, good morning.
Good morning. And this is how I'm gonna come next time without saying I'm gonna whistle and then I'm gonna say hello.
Nice entry.
Oh yeah, always.
We got you, first class takers.
So what's been
We got
happening
you,
for
freedom
GU?
seekers. And we got you.
What's been ranging? Forex Frank, what's up, man?
Oh, oh.
Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Sean.
How are you, Noran?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Yeah. Oh, lovely sunrise today.
Yeah, apparently it's nice weather.
Mm,
It was really nice yesterday too.
Yeah.
Nice wind.
it rained over here.
Oh, it rained over there.
Yeah,
Shit.
yeah,
Tomorrow's gonna be nice, about 4 degrees. Oh, this weekend's gonna be beautiful, 7 degrees.
that's good. That's good.
Then it goes back to negative again.
Oh, what are you post today?
What's that?
Uh, Too many reports, low priority reports.
Yeah.
8 and 10 and 10:30 and 11 and 12.
Yeah, but these are like very subtle news.
Yeah, yeah.
So we're gonna wait for Mr. Farhan to come through. Now we have Ali here. Good morning, Ali.
Hi, good morning.
I know
How are you?
for you it's probably
Uh,
evening.
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Mine is here.
Good evening.
Yes.
I'm gonna grab a coffee till
Yeah.
someone send the chat.
Okay.
Hello,
Anji.
good morning.
Good morning. How are you, Mr. Farhan? Hello, hello.
How are you?
Good, good, good. Thank you. How are you? How's the new job?
It's fine. Let's see how it goes. It's just the second week.
And it's all work from home.
Yeah, so it's more difficult, right? So when you're joining a new team, new environment, you don't know the faces, or you don't know how the people are.
That's right. That's right. Yeah. And this is the future of the world, I guess.
But I think so it's a little bit tricky to manage in this way.
It is. It is. Yeah. Human interaction is very important, like seeing and.
Exactly.
But at least we can work in our pajamas.
Yeah.
That's the plus point.
Where's Nora?
No, he's grabbing his coffee.
Oh, okay.
I'll be back in a second, guys.
Alright. No charts? Oh, there's 2 charts. Let's go. Mr. Farhan is here. Nice.
I think so. Umar is away, so you can open mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So here, if you see, like it's 1 hour chart, okay, and GU is ranging right now, and the daily has flipped to bullish. So I am expecting like it will go up a little now because the 1 hours are making its higher high right now after creating the support. So, but still it's in a range.
Yeah.
So I don't want to take a trade here, but with the momentum, if it breaks above that yellow line, buys above like 1.41769 area, if a candle closes there,
Yeah.
so I will be looking for a buy, and the target will be the wick fill to that,
Yes.
the blue line, and the next target can be the daily wick here, but the blue line will be the first target.
And you're only looking for buys in the situation.
If I'm looking for buys, because for sells also there is too much traffic and the zones are too narrow for
Yeah.
sells, so I'm not comfortable with it
Okay.
for sells.
Yeah.
And the daily has flipped bullish, and now I think like it will go up.
Yeah.
Like my bias is for buys.
Okay. Yeah, for buys it's easier. Clear
Yes.
range to go
Yeah.
to buy.
And that yellow line which I mentioned, like bias above, so if that area is broken, so we will be breaking like 3-4 hour candles at that area, like that yellow line is crossed. So then I would say like, yeah, there's a momentum to
I would say
upside
I would
here.
wait for a candle to close here.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
We can do that.
Yes. Let's see how it goes.
Okay.
Back here. Sorry, I went when you were away for the coffee. So my bias is pretty much the same, which Noran said, but I sent you my chart.
Same thing?
Okay.
You're looking for buys
No.
above here?
Okay, no. Sorry, it's not the same thing. So I was waiting when I sent you this candle. 1 hour candle was right here, right around this, but now it has changed. Wait a minute. To purple, pink. Okay. So this was right here, right? So I was hoping that this candle will close up in this range above this support that was formed, and the next candle, if it taps here and then breaks the high, we can take it till here. This like a 15 pip area, and then we could do it because this long candle was a clean traffic for me, to sort of take it. But now it has closed here, so I would say, I don't know what I have to say now. Wait a minute. Let me go in the smaller of him. Yeah, in a 30-minute time frame.
Yeah.
If it closes below this area, which is because it did a fake out, but now if the 30-minute candle closes below 41370 area, around this area, right? Because it has faked out once here and went up. So if it closes below this area, we can bring it further down for the wick fill. So if you want, I can just send you my chart again.
Yes.
Or you, yeah, just a minute. I know you guys love my analysis. Wait a minute.
We We do.
Okay. I've sent it. Open it, sir. Okay. Now, if you see this was a support form here, then here, also here, right? So this was a fake out, and it came and then went up again, right? So I would say if any candle closes below this area and the next one breaks it, we can bring it down, anticipating these wick fills, because this was a support that was created here too.
Yeah. But like it makes sense, 100%. But just this area, it's kind of annoying. But it is kind of clear traffic. But as well, you have all these rejection wicks from this space.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. So if something closes here, and then we can bring it down here, so which is like let's say around 12, 13 pip area. But with the New York volume, it might push it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we are in the 30-minute range, 15-minute range. Yeah. What do you see?
I'm gonna do my analysis. I'm gonna see. So looking at the weekly, this one tapped in, the current weekly tapped in at a resistance, right? And we have this huge rejection. So this is major area. If we look at the daily came down, made a big wick and closed, and now this current daily kind of made the upper wick. So there's a possibility for this daily to flip. So if it flips, there's a possibility to either come down to the body, or it comes down to either the wick or to 39,001, like by next week, for example. So if we expect this daily to flip, it should come down to like 41,136. Like I would expect it to flip, but it's easier to get into buys because the range is better. So let's look at the smaller time frame.
Look at the 30-minute. It makes sense. It would make sense if this 30-minute candle closes above this area. Open to 30-minute.
Wait 1 second. So I make sure. Okay. So this 1 hour closed like a doji below this resistance here. So this one should continue move down. But better sells, I would want candle to close below here to continue moving down.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
For buys.
You don't want to take a buy here?
Here? No. Still messy.
Well, open the 30-minute. Don't you think this is like a clean traffic? This one. Oh,
This right here.
yeah.
Yeah, but you have this area, this. We'll see how it plays out.
But the thing is, even to get to that area, 58. Right.
It's just too messy on the 15 as well. Mr. Ali, what do you think?
I think good serve would be below. Wait, hold on.
Look for a sell put close
Something
below.
like around 222. Yeah, 222 around. Once it breaks 222, 4 1 222. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's gonna break like I think the 4 hours as well.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the break of 4 hours.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like
And retest this area here. 49,670.
yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah. Man, what is this line?
Oh, sorry. Awesome.
I hate that ringtone.
Whose ringtone is it?
Mine.
Alarm. Oh, that's yours, Ali?
Yeah, yeah.
Is that your alarm?
No, it's my ringtone.
Oh.
Man, alarm at 7 in the evening.
I'll just do that, right?
Yeah. Because I had that ringtone for my alarm.
As the alarm,
Yeah.
makes sense.
And it, just to wake up to that, it just pissed me
Oh
off.
man, there are a few ones that I know. I know what you mean.
But you know, now I have one that's amazing. There's an app. It's called Sleep Cycle. I told you about this. So before you go to bed, like you click it and then you put your time, and it records you while you sleep, right? So if
It's
you're
a paid app, right?
no, it's free. I mean, you could pay for it, but I'm using the free version. So it records you when you're sleeping, if you're snoring, and it tells you how much sleep you're supposed to get, and when the alarm goes off, it starts off very slow, like, and it starts rising. You know.
All right.
It never disturbs me when I wake up. I just wake up like slowly. Versus the other alarm is like, it's like, what the fuck? So the only issue is that the previous 4 hour didn't break the low.
Yep.
So this could go up from here, but we'll see.
Generally, it's been ranging, you know.
Yeah. Yes. Ranges in London.
Yep.
So, Rakil shared his results for today.
Yeah.
10 lots. Savage.
Was it 10 lots? 6 lots.
No, I swear it was 10.
6.
No, it's 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just give me a second.
We got you, first class takers. And you.
So, looking at this, I would want, like, say if it is going up, I would want like a candle to close above this gray line over here. People can see, can see. Reality. Wow.
Incoming mail.
Incoming mail. Incoming mail. Incoming GU. Ooh.
Who took the buys?
Omar, you're about to be banned from the stream.
Come on, man! Stop saying those things. You cannot ban the founders of the group. The rest can be banned.
Just silence you.
It's a coup.
Omar. For taking impulse trades.
I didn't.
Wow. Ooh. Jeez. Target reached. Wow. In 5 minutes. No, in 2 minutes. I just hope it doesn't do what it did the other day, where it just comes down, retracement all the way. Y'all got in? No. Forex Frank, we didn't get in. No FOMO.
There's no confirmation.
Yeah,
How
no,
could we get in?
no confirmation. Okay, well I grabbed 8 pips on it just for my next entry. Waiting. So I would want this 30 minutes to come at least down a little bit before entering.
You want to enter when it breaks?
This one right here?
Yeah.
I kind of do, but like I would want like just a retracement down for this 30 minute.
Okay.
Unless if there's like really big volume. Kind of not sure. Cause I don't want to enter, wicks up a little bit, then flips, you know. If you put it, then stop loss. If we do enter, I'm gonna have it below the current candle, cause it's gonna be around 8 pips. What do you say, Omar?
I don't know, man. I agree to a point that it will probably break, give you a few pips, and then come down, because it's a sort of a resistance that's been created not only on 30-minute. Yeah, it was an hour resistance on the side if you look at it.
Yeah.
So we gotta be careful.
Maybe get a candle to close here.
Yes.
Yeah, or up here, even better.
Well, to be honest, if it closes here, above here, which you have just said the first gray line, and the next breaks it, then it will do the wick fill, because
I
that
know.
was like a breakout.
But what it could do as well, it could just go, right?
Yeah, but
Yeah, I might enter when it breaks.
because it was a resistance, but not like a sort of a major resistance, you know.
Yeah.
Just one little resistance. Your stop loss is going to be huge.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it just below the current 15. So if it does flip, then that means it's gonna come down here to retest, and if it respects this area, and it comes back up, then
Is it broken it?
yeah. But this one's a little bit risky. Oh, this is the 5 minutes I'm looking at. Oh shit.
Yeah, I've
30.
entered.
Yeah, I'm in. Let's go, GU. Don't let us down. Is anyone else in?
I mean,
I'm in as well.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm in.
There's no way this could go against us, guys.
No.
Teamwork. But if somehow this does flip, that means it's gonna come down to the gray line, and just before then I'll be out.
whoosh.
Come on, we could get 7 pips.
Hmm. I want to close.
Me too.
We'll just give it 5 more minutes. It either goes or it doesn't.
That's very.
All right.
I've closed everything.
Nice.
I was closing it like I was with a small position, but I was just trying to manage it. So I was closing bits and pieces.
I'm still in. Yeah, I'm out now. Beautiful. That's it, boys.
So
We are really not greedy people. we just we take what we can and get out, even though we know it's gonna reach target.
who else is in the trade?
It's been. Oh.
Target smash. Dun-dun-dun-dun. I didn't trust it. Yeah. Me too. Mr. Farhan.
Yes, I just closed it.
Hey, just now?
No, so basically I closed it in 5 pips, then 8, then 11.
Oh shit, savage. Good job.
It's small position, so
It's okay.
just trying to keep it running.
It's about the exercise, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. This is where we were waiting for a buy. If I got to close here, he would take it up here. this. So the 15 minutes did actually close above this line that we had originally. Oh shit.
We would have been. I would have been like, my TP was 10 pips, and then it has gone like 70.
I know. Now it's gonna go, man, to 41.9.
Now it has broken the 4 hour wicks, right? To the
Yeah.
left. So now it's going to that gray line.
Yeah. It might flip and be a bearish cancel, just make a support and then go up. Watching on the 15 messed me up. 30 minutes made more sense to me. Made more sense to stay in longer. Yeah. Facts. When I looked at the 30. So like that's the thing. Like I put it there, the stop loss there, just in case this 30 flips down and come back down here or closes below the range, then I know it's gonna change the direction. So it was a good entry overall.
Yeah. You know, when we did our analysis, right, this is the candle that I initially said that if this one closes above, but this one was like a big candle. I was not expecting it to close here. I said we have like a 15 pip range around this area, so I was expecting it to close around here, not all the way, but still, you know, we managed it.
Oh yeah. We played it nice. So people on YouTube, if you took this trade, give it a like, subscribe, share. Let's look at the stocks. Holy, Exxon Mobil just keeps on flying. Omar, didn't I tell you to buy? Didn't I tell you to buy? I told you to buy at 52. It's 57 now.
Oh, wow. Is that the oil price?
That's Exxon Mobil, yeah, for oil. Not oil, like shell companies, I think. I also give free signals on stocks. I'm joking. So now if this 15 minutes candle pulls up and closes above the red line, then it's making a support to continue moving up. See, I hope like we probably would have entered, you know? What do you think, Omar?
And especially when it broke the high.
Yeah, that was like a FOMO kicked in. It's like, oh shit. But it's best to wait for this 30 to close now. If it closes out of resistance, that's it. It's coming down. I'm up 32%.
Okay, gee.
Hmm?
What the fuck is that?
No, I'm up 32% on the stock.
You.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yes. Hey Orlando, let's go 101 subs. Yeah man, we made it. FOMO, fear of missing out. We always have that every single day. Fear of missing out, but we try to manage. We closed another win here. Let's look at DAX. Ooh, how did I know?
What's that?
The dollar index. It was up here when I looked at it. I was like, shit. It's gonna come. Oh, I'm up on this one. Exxon Mobil. I bought it at $42.
So
But
just give me a sec.
yeah.
Just give me a second, sir.
I bought around here. But I remember I was watching it fall down to 31. I was like, should I buy? It's like, nah. But then saw it came up, made kind of support. I was like, okay, put it in. Shit went up. It's actually at my target price right now. I should probably sell. Maybe sell half. The best two indicators are patience and discipline. 100%.
Who said that?
Forex Frank on
I
YouTube.
see. Very wise.
Very wise. Mr. Frank has been a regular now for about 3 weeks, I would say. True listener. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. What happened? Why did you say thank you? Why did you say thank you?
Oh, because Forex Frank, he's been actually watching us for like I think 3 or 4 weeks now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, been a consistent listener. He also goes on Rakil's stream and goes on to Mac Attack stream. A lot of sessions. Frank spitting out facts, 100%. So we're waiting for this 30 minutes to close above. Y'all teach a lot about value. Do we? Do we, Sean?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we do still. Thank you, Forex Frank. So if this 30 minutes closes above this red line, the stream will continue for a little bit. If it closes below, that means it's just gonna my range or fall down, then the stream will be ended.
Look at GJ, it has hit the highest in the last 3 years.
I know you feel in some ways, Omar.
Eh? Sorry?
I know you feel in some ways. You missed out on this move, on this. Look at this weekly. Holy! Not even a bearish candle. It's hit the highest, you said?
Yeah,
Oh shit, 150.
that's what I'm saying.
Holy. Oh my, do you remember 4 months ago or like 5 months ago? I was like,
It was
When I-
142.
yeah, 32. I'm talking about GU as well.
Yeah.
Um,
You remember there was a time when you said, oh, it's gonna come back to 127. I remember that conversation when it was at like 120, 130 something, like 1.30 something.
hmm.
And then it came back to 127.
But if you remember my overall call, like, let me see, over the monthly. No, so this is what I was thinking, right? As soon, what month it? Since December, I'm like, if this candle closes above this area, it's shit's gonna come up till 142. But I was expecting this area, like this candle, to reject and come back down here. But the one you're talking about, I think,
Yeah.
because this one closed bearish, right? The monthly, which
Yeah.
is September, so this one should continue falling down till 126. Kind of did go there. Japan continues to devalue its currency, I think. Why? Oh, for the yen. Yeah, probably.
What?
He said Japan continues to devalue its currency.
Or for what?
I don't know. But since we're trading GU, we know that the dollar is actually getting weaker and the pound's getting strong. We could see that from the stocks right here. It's been falling. But Omar, remember I told you I want to get this British account
Yeah.
and just put money in it, and just because I knew the pound's gonna go long, it's gonna go far. Imagine.
Your point one, you would have been up at like $700-800.
Oh yeah. But that's not even like the case. Like, see, if you just have money in your British account, it increases in value too versus
Oh,
the
yeah.
dollar. So I think I might move all my money to the British pound. But it's kind of late now. Yo, Orlando, you still here? Wow, this 30 minutes rejected. Heavy. But it might be making a support just right here.
Very close, not close above the range.
Yeah. You think it's gonna do those support confirmation the candle?
Probably.
Yeah.
But yeah,
We're gonna call it CSI. Support confirmation it candle.
it candle.
Yeah. So GU left a really big wick right here. Most likely he's gonna fill it. Right? And we see this one's about to come to this area here. If it respects it, it's good. If it doesn't, it's gonna continue falling.
Yeah.
Oh, everyone's still here. Nice.
Yeah. Just bear with me, man.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna end the stream now. Thank you, viewers. Forex Frank. We'll see you tomorrow.